What is up, guys? Welcome back to Pat Outdoors. This is going to be part 4 of the 40 volt Razor ground force drift kart project. All I have to do now is to reattach the brake cable and adjust the tension so that it locks up the rear end with no issues. And then we're going to take this thing out for its first test drive and do a top speed run. Now, some of you guys may have been wondering why I decided to go with 2 DeWalt batteries wired in a series to make 40 volts rather than buying a 36 or 48 volt lithium battery pack. And that is simply because I have plenty of DeWalt tools. As you can see here, I have several sets of their chargers and 20 volt max batteries. I didn't want to invest too much money buying a battery for potentially a temporary setup, since this motor is likely going to burn out after being overvolted for a little while. So I'm probably going to upgrade this setup to a 52 or even 60 volt with a MY1020 motor. Let me know what you guys think about that idea, but that is the reason why I decided to go with this battery setup for the meantime. I mean, the brake's properly tensioned, but I'm not really sure it's strong enough to lock. Kind of want to upgrade the brake system.
Dude, that's pretty wild. Hey,
Happy birthday, man. This
man, fucking happy belated birthday to you. So what are these? So these are
brand new set.
That's all they are?
The front is stock.
Yeah, the front are the stock ones, but
the back wheels are...
Oh, that's to make it the sliders, right?
Yeah, these are the super sliders.
I think you have to put a couple.
You like this?
I think you put that
This is just a stock motor. This is just a stock motor.
battery done now?
No.
That's pretty neat.
Alright guys, about to do a top speed run. I'm going to be using this GPS-based speedometer by Psych Plus. I use this to do majority of my speed testing for my Talaria and my electric dirt bikes. It's pretty accurate. It's a little bit delayed, but it does the job. I will have it linked in the description if you want to check it out. I think it's like 30 bucks. Alright, 40.3 volts. It's relatively full charge. Let's see what this thing gets. Hopefully the brakes work well. The headlight's pretty bright on this thing.
Yeah, it is.
All right, let's do it. Brakes worked all right. I think we got into the 20s over there. Let's go see what we got. Top speed is 24.4 miles an hour. It's pretty damn loud with having plastic tires on there, but
Yeah, it's running out of juice. All right, as you guys can see, got about 15 minutes of ride time on the one charge here.
All right guys, well that was the first test ride, and as you see, it goes a lot faster than factory due to the higher voltage, and it has twice as much power because we put a 500 watt controller in. But for a 180 pound adult like me, I am looking for more power output than the stock motor can handle. I'm thinking about putting a 2000 watt MY1020 Kunray or Vever motor on there with maybe a Kelly controller and a 52 volt or 60 volt battery. Let me know what you guys suggest. I am also looking to upgrade the front wheel and tire setup. The plastic wheels just simply don't get enough grip. I'm getting a lot of understeer on slick surfaces. So let me know if you happen to know a set of wheels and tires that happen to fit this chassis without too much modification. But if you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you like this kind of content, want to keep up with this project or any of my other bike projects, consider subscribing to this channel. If you are interested in checking out any of the parts that we used for this project, I'll have everything linked in the description below. But this is going to be it for today. Thank you for watching.